Hello everyone! Today I am going to tell you some tips and tricks for beginners in Procreate. So let's start. Create a color palette from any picture. Click the plus sign to upload the image you want from the gallery into the palettes, and you will get all the colors from the image. Save the brush or opacity in these sliders. Just tap on the slider and then tap plus to save the size. That way you can easily go back to your preferred brush size. After drawing a line, tap your finger on the screen to make it straight like this. Tap and hold your finger and go over the canvas to find the color you need. To create smoother lines, just go to the brush settings, then go to the stabilization and turn it up, and this way you will get the smoother lines. Tap with 2 fingers on the screen to undo anything and tap 3 fingers to redo any stroke. You can turn the dark to light interface by turning it on from here. If you're left-handed, you might want to switch your brush interface from left to right.